Let's talk about Numpy library. Here, data management in Python. In Python, datasets can come from different sources and be in different formats. This can be the sets of documents, image, audio clips, and so on. Despite the heterogeneity, it's convenient to consider them as arrays of numeric values. For example, an image can be represented as simple two-dimensional arrays of data reflecting the brightness of the pixels of the corresponding area. Also, text can be converted to the digits by binary numbers. The first step of data analysis is to convert datasets into numeric arrays. This stage is very important for the data research process. Let's study the Python library designed to handle such arrays of numbers. This library is Numpy. Numpy is a Python package which stands for Numerical Python. It is the core library for scientific computing, which contains a powerful n-dimensional array object, provide tools for integrating C, C++, etc. It's also useful in linear algebra, random number capability, etc. Numpy array can also be used as an efficient multi-dimensional container for generic data. To install Python Numpy, you can use the pip install Numpy, but in our Jupyter Notebook, it's already downloaded. Okay, let's write. As usual, yes. Hello world. Yeah, and here, if you write import Numpy, it should also when you write the import Numpy, and if you will have this kind of problem like not found error, then just you should pass the pip install Numpy, and you also can see that this is the install it, and also here some advices to upgrading. And after that, you should again write import Numpy, then Numpy dot version, this code, and here you can see the version of the downloaded Numpy library. It's worth to noting that your version of the Numpy should not be the lower than the 18. In my case, it's the 26.